Hi guys, sorry I have been very absent. I didn't post anything yesterday and I'm so sorry. I've kind of been a flop if I'm being honest with you, so I'm really sorry for missing an upload, but I am back on it. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this hair, which is like a wavy, beachy hair that I've been really into recently, so I hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my hair out of this bun, and so the curler that I use, I think it's a 1-inch barrel, and it's from VS Sassoon Magic Shine, and my sister gave this to me, so I don't know where you can get it, but I just need a 1-inch barrel. So I just part my hair down the middle, and I'm wearing my PJs, sorry. But anyways, so I like to take little like 1-inch sections, like I always kind of change it. I take about like that much, and then I will wrap it around, and I leave a lot on the end here. You can see that I didn't curl it all the way, and that's going to create like the wavy effect that we're going for. So I don't hold it for too long. I let it drop and toss it over my shoulder. To take another section, and then this time I'm going to go towards me again, not doing it all the way and leaving a little bit of space here, holding it for a little bit and letting it drop, and it just looks like that. Toss it over my shoulder. So I don't alternate which way I go every single time. I kind of just do it whenever I feel like it, just so that it's not too structured and all, but I will always leave about like this much space, like almost like too much, so that it creates like a wavy effect. So yeah, and I take different sections. Sometimes I take more, sometimes I take less, and that's going to create like the more natural look that we're going for. Once you start to kind of get used to this, it really does take like only like 5 or 10 minutes, which is amazing, and it also looks really good. So I'm going to continue to do this all over my head. Another tip I have is to not always start right at the root. Like some sections, I recommend that you start like not entirely close to your head, just a little bit farther down. So what I mean is to not like always start right here, but sometimes start a little bit lower so that it creates a little bit more dimension for your hair. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I have like one more piece left, and I just wanted to show you how I will do this part. So the one closest to my face, I will go closer up to my head, like closer to the root. So I will start from up here, but I'm also again leaving a huge chunk of hair left at the bottom, not curling it all the way to the bottom, and letting it drop, kind of pulling it a little bit, and that's it. So I did one side. You can see it took about 5 minutes. So now with this, I like to take little bits of sections at the top of my hair, and I like to just touch up on those so that it creates a bigger look. So I'm taking just random pieces that you can really see and kind of defining those curls, but also again not curling it all the way to the bottom. You want to be pretty messy with this though, just because that's what makes this hair really cute and like just really like beachy. So you don't want to be too structured with it. You just want to be kind of like laid back with it. Don't get too picky, and that's about it. So this is one side. It's pretty, I don't know if you guys can see it, sorry. Alright, so this is one side done. You can see that it's pretty wavy. It kind of looks like it has fallen out a little bit, but that's what we're going for. So I'm going to finish the other side of my head, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished both sides. Now you can see that, again, the bottom little bit is straight, and that's what makes this really pretty. So I am going to grab some hair products and change into some nicer clothes. Alright guys, so the two products I like using for my hair, I use the Luxe Damage Repair Hair Oil. You can really use any one that you like. I just take a really tiny amount, and I like to put it on the bottom ends of my hair just to give it a little bit of shine and some moisture. And then after that, I like using this hairspray. I don't know if it's particularly that great. I don't know if it's super strong hold like it says, but this is the Dove Extra Hold Hairspray, and it just smells really freaking good. So I like to use this on my hair. I don't put that much on, so when I'm just like chilling, I don't really care about it staying on. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished hair look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!